Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here to share the final flip throughs of all the multiple journals that we made. So we made 9 journals over this last series that we did, and I am just going to start going through them. All of these journals were spoken for. I had several questions, and so wanted to let you know that if I'm ever doing a video where you're interested in the journal or whatever, just message me on my Etsy shop, Cinnamon Tea, because that's where I try to kind of consolidate all requests and that sort of thing, so that I don't lose track and mess up somebody's orders. So these 2 journals are going to Lori. Lori, these are the 2 that you ordered, and so let's just flip through them quick. You guys have seen most everything. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more here for you. Okay, so we'll just flip through them quickly, and you can just see the finished journals. Super fun. I had a great time making them, and I just thank you guys so much for watching and for all your comments, and then for all your interest in the journals as well. They really did turn out fun. I'm really happy with them. So yeah, these the Christmas ones, we used the eco dyed paper that was done with the dyed daisies, and that turned out pretty well. And these were done, as you know, with a Stamperia paper pad, and just lots of lace, lots of fluff, lots of fun. So, and then we made the little notepads. So I'm just going to flip through each one of these quickly so you can see the different papers, the different things that were used on the various pages. A lot of similar things, of course, because we were making multiples. But here's the TN pocket. This one with the all of them have a little index card in there, and then coffee dyed paper at the top that goes into the TN. So Lori, that's your Christmas one. This one Lori ordered as well, and it is, I have their names in the front, so those will be removed. I'm just trying to keep myself straight here. So yeah, I was really, here's the flip on this one, was really happy with them, and you know, and felt like they turned out really nice. I'm excited to share them with all of you who ordered. So belly band on this one. This one has an embossed card. It's really kind of fun. So yeah, I'm going to get these listed on Etsy today, reserved for these folks. So I wanted to just get a quick documentation of them and a flip through for you all. So Lori, those are your 2. I'm going to set those back up in my basket here. And then the other person that ordered 2 was Diana. So Diana, here is your lavender one. Just flip through quick. Yeah. We'll flip through quick if my fingers will work. Love this eco dyed paper. Those are rose petals on that one. Middle. Both sides of the eco dyed paper flip out, and she has an embossed vintage postcard as well. Whoops. Guess we go here. Lots of room for journaling in these, and yet just lots of fun little embellishments too. And as I always do, I'll be sending along some things for them to play with in their journals too. So that was your first one, Diana. Here's your Christmas one. I heard from so many of you that you love the Stamperia paper, and I do too. I am really a fan of it. It's expensive. That's the one thing, but it is gorgeous paper, and it's nice and thick. It makes a lovely journal. This one, is that in there? Oops. Sometimes those belly bands, I just had them overflown a little bit and gluing my pages together. Okay. Okay, there's that one. There is, Diana, that is your Christmas one. Okay, so then we have this one, which is Valentina ordered this one. And gosh, I'm sorry I didn't have more because you all were so kind to be so interested. This is a pretty one. That's a dogwood bush. But you know, there'll be more. I have more lavender paper, and I love making these. I just think they're so pretty. This again is an embossed one. So yeah, just real fun. Okay, there's that one. And then we've got this little girl reading, and this one is Nepi. Nepi ordered this one. Hopefully everyone who ordered one will watch the flip through and be able to see what they're getting if they want to. Maybe they want to be surprised. That's a whole nother idea. It's just to wait and see. Yeah, so there's lots of room in these to make them your own and play with them, and I will send you along some fun things to add to your journals too. Whoops. This is the one with the square. Yeah, love that. Okay, so that's Nepi's. Then we have my pal Diane ordered this one. And these are rose leaves from my roses and a few petals. And that one. So sad that it's so cold and everything, and we're covering up our fireplace. This one's embossed as well. I'm not able to do any eco dyeing anymore. So I think it was Jan that said on one of my comments, she said, I just got into eco dyeing late in the year too, and now now it's too cold, but it's something else to look forward to spring about, I guess, isn't it? Okay, so that's Diane's. And this Christmas one is going to Sherry. have those pages together. Oh, Sherry, there is eyelet lace in this. She's not a fan. I told her if it wasn't glued down, I'd try and change it, but oh well. I hope she'll still like it. There we go. She's got that. Oh, I love that one. So that one's for Sherry. And this one has the little tag on the front. This is for La Vida. Got that cute little boy. Love that. So, whoops. So on to the next project now. Yay, I am excited for the next one too. Goodness, I have some fun projects coming up. So we will get on, and I will do some craft with me. So I'm not going to do a series per se, but I love to craft with you all. So I'll be doing craft with these. So there you go, guys. There are all 9 journals ready to go. And I just appreciate again so very much all of you watching this series and all of your wonderful comments and your interest in my journals. It really is gratifying. So, oh, as they fall all over. Thank you everyone so very much for watching, and we'll see you with the next project. Bye-bye.